Hi, this is Bruce. Oh no, the hive is honey-bound. What does honey-bound hive mean? A lot of people kind of wonder about that. Basically, if you have a honey-bound hive, that means the queen has no place to lay her eggs, and if she doesn't have a place to lay her eggs, they're going to swarm. That's the way it goes. All right, today I'm going to go over to my friend Weston's house. I kind of mentored him when he had his first hives. He hasn't been doing this real long, and he's just gearing up to get his first round of honey. But I went over to his house actually to help him out to do a little split. You know, we were just going to do a walk-away split. We were going to just steal a few resources into a nuke box. But we found something a little different. Stick around, I'll show you what we got. Hey, this is Bruce. I'm over here with Weston. We're going to do a little walk-away split today. So we'll see how this one goes. Hot floor today, everybody's bearding up on the outside. Okay, you see any brood at all up here?
Well, I'm not sure if I have a queen excluder in. I think there's a queen excluder.
Oh yeah, okay, right. In that case, let's go ahead and
Go ahead and
put that one down.
I know they've got honey towards the top.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and pull that first one out. Let's see what we got. Okay. Now, that's a good one first because you got honey on top. You got a lot of sealed brood on this side. There's open nectar. There's pollen on this side. How's the other side looking?
Got honey up top.
Honey on top.
Got some cat brood.
Okay, see if you see eggs in there. Got to kind of angle it right. A little flashlight in here somewhere.
No, on this side, it's pretty full with nectar.
Okay.
I see a lot of liquid. I don't see.
See, there's some larvae. Nope, no eggs. But still, that's a good one there to throw in the middle.
Okay.
Actually, put it on one of the sides. Yep. Okay. First frame. Let's see what you got. Now we seriously want open brood. We want young enough so they can make a queen from. Not seeing eggs, are you?
No.
The other side?
Maybe a few right there. You have to help me. I can't see.
Do you see the first queen cell? Oops. A lot of nectar. A little bit of spotty larvae thrown in there in a couple places, but mostly nectar. Let's see the other side real quick. Nectar. Okay, that one goes back. Okay, we'll have a nice brood there.
That's a good looking brood.
Okay, let's see the side. Food and brood. Okay, it's interesting. They're actually running out of room. Go ahead and put that one back.
Okay.
Because there's not much space for the queen to lay yet. So that's a little concerning.
Okay.
And if they don't have room for her to lay eggs, she'll swarm, you know.
Okay.
So go ahead and grab the next one. Boy, okay. Okay, just a little bit of not much brood and stuff. That's older brood and nectar everywhere. You see, there's a red open cap down there at the bottom. So,
Oh, yes.
is there anything in it?
No.
And there's one on this side. That's a queen cell on this side. And that one's capped, and that one's going to be emerging in a couple of days. Okay, throw that one in.
Okay. Next one?
Yep. They're pinging my hands now. They're getting a little grumpy.
See?
Okay. We should be seeing the queen pretty soon. So, no eggs. Okay, let's see the other side. Wow, that's a nice one. You're holding about 3,500 bees in your hand, getting ready to be born. Okay, so still haven't seen the queen, but I'm expecting to see her anytime now. So go ahead and let's see the next one. So actually, this is a good thing we did this inspection, because is that nectar mostly there? Yes, it is. Yeah, so they're getting honeybound here,
honeybound.
buddy. Yeah. Okay. There's another queen cell. All right.
Maybe put that one in as well?
Yeah, let's go ahead and take out the very first one you put in and put that one in.
Okay.
Make sure the queen's not on it, though.
That's the first one, right?
Yes. Okay, let's take one more look to make sure the queen's not on this one. Oops, sheesh. Tripping. Yeah.
Okay, you get one.
Not seeing her. Okay, so let's gently put this one back in. Okay, so that one we can put back in the box over here. Let's keep on looking. Okay. Nope, I'm not seeing her. Go ahead and throw that one back.
Oh.
There's two more.
Okay.
Getting stung here. Smoke your fingers too where they stung you. Yep. Okay, now this is drone comb here. So she would lay drones on that. She didn't really want to lay workers on it. What's this side look like? Yeah, it's all drone comb. Still don't see the queen. Okay, go ahead and put that one back. Let's look at the last one quickly. Okay, here's another queen cell here, so let's leave that one in here.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead and put this hive back together. And just checkerboard a couple of those empty frames in.
I was on the other side of this one.
Yeah, they're wanting to make it a little bit wonky. Okay, so no, we need a nectar frame now.
Oh, okay.
So pull that one and see how it looks. So that queen excluder turned out to be a problem. I usually don't use queen excluders for honey production. The way I use the excluders normally is to isolate the queen in one of the boxes when I'm doing splitting. But if I was to use the queen excluder for doing honey production, the way I would do it, all right, bear in mind that here in Florida, our main flow, our largest crop of the year is late fall when the Brazilian pepper blooms. So you go through the summer, you have your colony, you got your hive with as many boxes, you got deep on the bottom and supers on top. At least I do. Long about September, maybe 15th, that's just about the time when the Brazilian peppers are going to start blooming. I'll go in and I will go through that box. I want to put the prettiest frames on the top, in the top boxes. I'm going to make sure that that queen has plenty of room to lay eggs down below. And I'm going to put that queen excluder in. Now my goal is I want them to go through the winter with at least one medium super full of honey just for their own use. So I'm going to put the queen excluder up above the super that I give them for their own use. All right, as the flow goes on, I'm going to check them pretty often just to make sure that everything's going well. And if they need more room, I'll put another super on and another super on. Okay, then when the flow is over, they cap all that honey off, and along about November, toward the end of November, I'm going to be harvesting my biggest flow of the year. All I got to do is run those bees out of those boxes full of honey. Good way to go. Okay, so how do we end up? Well, where we are is Weston has a nuke box that has two really good looking queen cells and a whole bunch of sealed brood that's going to hatch, as well as a food frame. He'll take it home, he'll put a feeder on it, feed them for a little while, and wait for those queens to emerge and see who wins. On the original colony that was honeybound, okay, now we've taken the excluder out, the queen excluders out now. There's at least two nice looking queen cells in there for them to make their new queen from, since they had swarmed. And then finally, he'll go, there's plenty of room for the queen to lay when she finally emerges. Okay, so here we are. All right, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.